Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no audio on Roku TV. So if you're using your Roku TV and you can't hear anything from it, meaning the speakers are not working, I'll be showing you how to fix that in this video. First, you want to tap on the home button on your remote and you'll be led to a screen just like this. Then you're going to tap down and you're going to select settings. From there, you're going to tap to the right. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select audio. After you have selected audio, you're going to tap across to the right and you're going to select speakers. Then from there, you can see at the moment my TV speakers are turned off. I'll simply tap to the right, then select TV speakers, and that will turn it on. Now, if this doesn't help, I would recommend that you scroll down and you would select System. Then you're going to tap to the right and you're going to scroll all the way down and select Advanced System Settings. And from here, you're going to tap across and you're going to select Factory Reset. Then you will tap across and you will select Reset TV Audio. And as you can see from here, you'll simply press the play or pause button 3 times and that will reset your audio, and that should solve your problem of no audio on your Roku TV. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.